This is going to be so helpful in our house. Welcome to the review today, you guys. We are doing a review of this. Do you know what it is? It is a egg rack. Look at it's got drawers. It's got two sets of shelves. The drawers slide in and out so easily. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So why is this so cool? Well, one, if you use a lot of eggs like we do, you can put your eggs in here, put it in your refrigerator. It actually has suction cups, so that'll suction cup to the back of your refrigerator if you want to, or you can do like we do. So we get farm fresh eggs from our friend Greg, and he brings them to us in these containers, but he likes to reuse these containers. So now I can take all of these eggs out and put them right in here, which I'm going to do right now. Check that out. This will hold 40 eggs, and look at it's all heavy in the front and it's not even leaning down. That's pretty cool. This will hold 40 eggs of any size. These are a variety of size eggs because they are farm fresh eggs. Farm fresh eggs can actually be stored out on the counter, so we don't have to refrigerate this, but as I said, you can put it in the refrigerator. Let me show you the suction cups real quick. So it comes with 4 of these little suction cups, and you can put them on the back here, and then when you push it into your refrigerator, you don't have to worry about it sliding forward as you're pulling the drawers out, which honestly I don't think it's going to really do that anyway because it's not moving at all as I slide these forward. So you can use these in your fridge to organize your eggs better or for your counter eggs. This is pretty cool. If you're looking for a great way to store a lot of eggs, we recommend this. Also, super easy to wash. Just take it apart and wash it when you need to wash it. This is cool. I really like this.